Hello everyone, I am Nityavati. Welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see the topic of algebraic identities. Okay, algebraic identities. Before we are going to the identities, first you have to know about algebra. What is mean by algebra? Algebra is the combination of, a combination of variable, numbers and the operations. For example, in this variable means what? You can take all the alphabets. Numbers means all the numbers, constant. Then the operation means the basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, 7 plus 8y. This is the algebraic expression. Yes, it is the constant is there, numbers is there, then operator is there, one variable is there. So the algebra is the combination of variable, numbers and the operators. Okay. Next, what is mean by algebraic identities means it is such as some formulas like a plus b whole squared is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This how it is comes a plus b whole square. You don't want to memory. A plus b whole square means what is the meaning? You should multiply a plus b 2 times. You should multiply a plus b 2 times. So how to do a plus b into a plus b? Okay. Then how to multiply this first term? Multiply these two terms. A into a. A into a. 1a into 1a. A square. It's not a 2a. When we are adding it comes 2a. Then you should multiply. A into a is a square plus a into b ab. Then this term and this term everything is plus, so plus b into a also ab, because in the multiplication changing the place there is no issue because of 2 into 3 also 6 only, 3 into 2 also 6 only. So a into b, b into a both are same. Next, b into b also b square. Now this is meaning is 1ab, this meaning is 1ab. A square 1ab plus 1ab 2ab plus b square. Some of them writing a square plus b square plus 2ab. Is it wrong? No, this also correct. Everything is addition. You can check practical examples. 3 plus 5 plus 7 also same answer. 3 plus 7 plus 5 also same answer. If you change the place, there is no mistake. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is correct. A square plus b square plus 2ab also correct only. Okay. So like that it is the steps how the formula is came. If you can directly remember this formula, it is easy for you. How to use this formula, how to solve the algebraic we have to see now. The first term is x plus 5 the whole square. You have to do the identify, you have to express this expressions. Okay, now it is looking like a plus b whole square. In a plus what is there? X. In b plus what is there? 5. What is a plus b whole square formula? You just write a plus b whole squared is equal to a square. In a plus what is there? X. So x squared plus 2ab means the meaning is 2 into a into b, 2 times ab. Okay, so 2 into a into b, you just multiply. 2 into a is x into b is 5. Next, b square, b value is 5, that squaring is plus 5 square. Next you have to simplify x square, this all the three multiplication. So multiply 2 into x, 2x. 2x into 5, 10x. Otherwise multiply the number. 2 5s are 10, 10 into x, 10x plus 5 square. 5 square meaning is 5 into 5, 25. That's all. This is the identity expression. Okay. Next for your convenience another one sum 3a plus 2b the whole square. Here in a place 3a is there, in b place 2b is there. So what you have to consider? In a place 3a, in b place 2b. Let us apply the formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? First term square, a square. So in a plus 3a, so 3a the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a is 3a into b is 2b. Okay, plus b square, b is 2b the whole square. 2b whole square equal to 2b square. Both are equal means no, it is not equal, because here this square is common for 2 and b. Here this square only for b, not for 2. So it is not equal. So keep the bracket properly. Then only you can find the answer correctly. Next, 3a square. How to find out? 3 also you should square, a also you should square. 3 square. 3 square value is what? 9a square. Some of the children written only 9a, but it's wrong. The square is common for both the terms. So you have to square in the both the term. 3 square is 9, a square is a square. Plus 2. First you multiply the numbers. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, a into b, ab, plus, next the same conditions, 2 also squaring common, b also, 2 square is 4, b square is b square, instead of 2b square, this is only 2b square, 2b whole square means this answer is 4b square. 2b square and 4b square equal means not equal. So the bracket is very, very important here. Squaring, for example, 3xy z whole square. What is the answer? 9xyz? No. Otherwise 9x squared yz? 9x squared y squared is that? Or 9x squared y squared z squared. Fourth option only is correct. This square for common for all the 4 terms. 3 square is 9, x square is x squared, y square is y squared, z squared is z squared. Okay, this is, I'll just show you one example how to squaring the numbers. That's all. Next, in this sum on fraction also is there. So don't be panic. As usual, you apply the same concept. In this a place 3t is there, b place 7 by 2. So a is equal to 3t, b is equal to 7 by 2. Apply the formula. A plus b means what we have to do? 3t plus 7 by 2 whole square. First a square, 3t whole square, very, very important, plus 2ab, 2ab, 2 into a is 3t into b is 7 by 2 plus b square 7 by 2 whole square. Next, as usual, 3 squared is 9, t square is t square, plus now 2 3s are 6. 6 into 7, 42, t by 2, otherwise 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Now you multiply. 1 into 3, 3, 3 7s are 21, only t, plus 7 by 2 whole square. This also numerator and denominator both having the square as a common. So 7 square is 49 by 2. It's wrong. 2 also you must be square because it is whole square. This is not 7 square by 2. It is 7 by 2 whole square. So the square for common numerator and denominator also. So 7 square is 49. 2 square is 4. This is the final answer. Is it clear, children? This is the identity. A plus, very, very important identity. A plus b whole squared is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What are the numbers given? Maybe it is the coefficient, or maybe it is the fraction, maybe it is the decimal. You just apply and try to simplify. Is it clear? I hope you are understand very well. I meet you on the next video.